Why did I get solar? I really wanted to just be more green. Given the option, why not? And especially with the added benefits of all the financial savings that, that I'll reap over time. It was just a no-brainer. My favorite thing about it, my mom asked, so does it really, lower your electric bill? And I said, yeah, my bill last month was $13. And just to see her face and that look of surprise and that living proof was really great. Really, once I realized that it was something that was financially within reach, it just was, it was an easy decision after that. Once I realized that not only does it cost me the same right now that it would, once I've, paid it off and recouped that, it's gonna save me thousands. So yeah, it just really just made sense. I would bet these panels last, at least 30 or 40 years while they're still producing at a high level. The process to getting solar is really easy. It does require some permitting, but that actually made me more comfortable because I knew that everything was going through the proper channels and done safely and up to code. I remember the day I came home and my system had been turned on, and what an exciting feeling that was to get to look at my monitoring app and see them rocking and rolling right away. So worth the wait for sure.